The concept is so simple. Meat, cheese, vegetables, or a spread are nestled between two slices of bread. The sandwich is a favorite worldwide. You've probably heard that the Earl of Sandwich created the sandwich, but is that story true? Where did the sandwich come from? And what does it have to do with the Earl of Sandwich? A Mediterranean trip, medieval trenchers, and Passover. Stay tuned as we slice into all the facts. Whether it's a bologna sandwich, a po' boy, or even a hamburger, there's so much variety in sandwiches. They can be a gourmet picnic meal or a lifesaver during times of hardship, as it was during the Great Depression. Its versatility is what makes the sandwich so popular. The legend claims that John Montague, the fourth Earl of Sandwich, created the sandwich. One story, written by a French travel writer in 1770, has him asking for meat and cheese between slices of bread while gambling at a club. But eating meat and bread as a meal existed long before the Earl of Sandwich. Montague spent some time in the Mediterranean. While there, he may have seen Greek and Turkish meze platters with dips, meats, and cheeses layered on bread. Similar dishes were just as common in Montague's English homeland, known simply as bread and meat or bread and cheese. Very complex names. During the medieval age, the British served meat on large pieces of bread called trenchers. The trenchers got soaked with meat juices and had to be changed when they got too wet. Often, they were given to servants, the poor, or pets. If that sounds like something you want to try, you could travel to Bath, England, or Bath, England, as they like us to say, where Sally Lunn's historic eating house serves them. The earliest sandwich may be the korek, eaten during the Jewish Passover Seder. It contains lamb and bitter herbs wrapped in a matzah flatbread. These flatbread wraps can be seen today in the modern pita. But is there any truth to the original Earl of Sandwich myth? Well, the first written mention of a sandwich is in a 1762 book written by historian Edward Gibbon. He describes dining at a gentleman's club where many enjoyed a sandwich. And it was this type of club that John Montague used to frequent. So it is plausible that he really did order his dish of meat between bread during this time and that it quickly caught on with his peers. In the U.S., the sandwich appeared in cookbooks in 1816. By the 1900s, the simple British bread and cheese sandwich was becoming fancier in the United States. The club sandwich made of chicken, lettuce, tomato, and bacon appeared in the mid-1890s. One story suggests it was invented in 1894 in New York's Saratoga Club. Another claim says it was served on railway club cars in 1895. Whatever the true origin of the sandwich is, the varieties are endless. Any combination you can imagine can likely be made into a sandwich. All you need are 2 slices of bread or a bun and a filling. Or even just more bread between slices of bread, whatever you fancy. For me, nothing can beat peanut butter on white bread. And we'll show you the unbelievable origins of that tasty treat on another episode of Origins of Food.